Okay. Hi. Sorry. Thank you.
So this is our Clubbound benefits.
Yep.
You will have like 2 complimentary pressing daily, 2 items daily, and also we serve 5 meal presentation, which is breakfast, light lunch, afternoon tea, cocktails, hors d'oeuvre, and also dessert and cordials. This is all food. 5 food presentation will start from 6:30 a.m. until 10 p.m. in the afternoon.
Great. Okay. So this is your pool.
Yeah. That's so nice.
Yeah, it is. Yep.
Living room
Yep.
area here.
Yep.
So this one will facing the city view.
Okay.
Okay, and this one for the
Welcome.
that we specially provide for you with the welcome letter by our GM.
Wow,
Kun
thank
Tina
you.
Liu.
Yeah. Lovely. Minibar over there, yes. Wow, okay.
And the this way is go to the bedroom.
Yep.
So left hand side would be the bathroom. So we separate for 1 bathtub and 1 shower.
Right.
And 1 toilet bowl.
Yep.
And also one how can I say, the vanity.
Yeah. And then there's a balcony here as well. Yeah.
And this one is our master bedroom. So
Right.
over here would be the sofa. So
Right.
during the day you can enjoy the view of the Dong Thi
Yep.
Park here.
Mm.
And so this one.
Wow, the bed is facing the park.
Yes.
You know, where is One Bangkok?
One Bangkok is left hand side.
It's on the left hand side.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, the safety box, yes.
And also this one for the hair dryer. So we
Okay.
use a Dyson
Right,
brand.
yeah,
And the butler.
yeah. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So it is a very special room tour. Right now I'm at the newly opened Ritz-Carlton Bangkok Normally when I stay at a hotel or when I travel, I publish my videos maybe 2 or 3 months down the road for privacy issue, but I can't wait to publish this video right away, unboxing the Ritz-Carlton Bangkok and show you what it's like to stay in the suite, as well after club launch, what is it included at the latest Ritz-Carlton Bangkok. So today is December 10th, so I've left already, don't look for me, but this is the Constitution holiday in Thailand, so I decided to stay a night here to show you. So it's really exciting because they just opened on December 4th, so it's less than a week that is being open, and a lot of people did stay at the hotel already, but maybe in the standard room, so I'm just going to unbox this Marigold suite for you. Okay, so walking right in, okay, on the left hand side there's a powder room already, okay, and then this is a small area of welcoming. Now walking right in, this is the living room, okay, with the television, and it's only opened for less than 7 days, so everything is pretty much brand new, which is so nice. Okay, so this is the living room, and then that is the mini bar. So I'm going to show you the mini bar because I'm looking at the straight lines, design and everything in the room, but in the public area they have a lot of arch and curve, so that's what I start my camera and just take a look. So this is the mini bar. Okay, so they have the coffee machine, and then with the capsules and snacks and such. Okay, of course they get the espresso cup as well as regular coffee cup properly. Okay, and then this is the mini bar. Yes, okay. Okay, I think that's basically it. And they do have a kettle and then bottle of water, and then the full wine and alcohol for mixing. Okay, so back here, the living room, and this is a small dining area, so it's facing the city, and a very nice handwritten note from the general manager, as well as some welcome amenity, the roast apple and some Ritz-Carlton chocolate cookies. Okay, so here the table is good for 3 people. And wait, actually there's another dining table, there's another sofa area inside. Okay, let me walk in. You can see, continuing on with the city view, there's a balcony. Although that's a balcony, it's a non-smoking room or non-smoking hotel. So don't go and smoke or you'll be paying some penalty. So this is a nice way to enjoy. This one is facing the city. And then turning back on the side is a huge bathroom. Okay, my favorite flatte Ritz-Carlton bathrooms. Ring shower. There are normal amenity as in other Ritz-Carlton as well. Okay, again, the oval shape, huge bathtub. Okay, so let's take a look. Of course, I think it's the bath salt in here, yeah. So it's a real deal. Okay, so double sink with the makeup area. This is the amenity kit. with the body lotion, 2 extra bottles of water for brushing the teeth, makeup mirror. Okay, and the weight. Okay, so moving right along, coming out from the bathroom. This is the kind of the walk-in closet because I skipped the first part. They put my luggage and everything here. So good number of hangers, open closet, open walk-in closet. And then continuing on here with another nice bathrobe and the slipper. Let me check. Okay, this is a regular slipper, which is quite thick and nice. And then the Dyson hair dryer, as well as a very good size safe deposit box. Okay, and for my suite, I included 2 pieces of complimentary pressing, which I already handed to the lady who brought me in. So she should be returned tomorrow morning. Okay, so now coming to the bedroom. So I can go either way, you know, through the balcony or, you know, where I show you. I can walk in, or I can walk in through the walk-in closet to come here. So if I come in from the balcony, okay, this is the nice sofa area. And this is the Nampini Park. Okay, in no time, my 2 pieces of complimentary pressing is returned to me. So the nice lady just handed it to me at the door, and I'm all good now. Okay.
So why is Cicropino? Because this is the effect of the sunset, as you can see in front of the Lumpini Park.
Yes.
The last one is Campari with
Yes.
a little bit coconut oil.
Yeah.
For the ice cream is mango sorbet
Wow.
with a little bit passion fruit, and we top of sparkling wine.
Yes.
Prosecco.
Yeah, Prosecco. Yes.
Bring this one.
Yep.
How is this one work?
Yep.
I would recommend to stir all together.
Okay.
And bring it all
Okay.
together.
Good morning. So this is the view I wake up to. It's the beautiful Lumpini Park. So yeah, that is my bedroom. A little messy, but that's okay. So I just realized in my living room, actually I got the swimming pool view. I just noticed it last night. So early in the morning, it's like 7:30. There are already people swimming down in the swimming pool. So this is the city view. Okay, so good morning Bangkok. I'm at the newest luxury hotel in Bangkok, the Ritz-Carlton Bangkok, unboxing the Marigold Suite and all the club lounge benefit for you. Brought to you by NTC Luxury Traveler. Yeah. Yep.
And this one is the congee.
Oh, the congee and the
Yeah.
noodle.
And the third.
Yeah. So the prawn wonton.